How to draw Santa Claus. We're going to start off by drawing Santa Claus's mustache. Great job! Now in the middle underneath his mustache, we're going to draw a U-like shape for his mouth. Inside of his mouth, we're going to draw two curved lines making his tongue. Above those two curved lines and below his mustache, we're going to color in black. Then we're going to draw his chin underneath his mouth. For the next step, we are going to draw Santa Claus's nose right above his mustache in the middle. Then we're going to draw two small black dots for each nostril. Your drawings are coming along great, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Now we're going to draw Santa Claus's eyes. First, we will draw the right eye. We will draw an upside down U-like shape for the top outline of the eye, and then we will draw a smaller curved line underneath for the bottom of the eye. Then near the outside corner of the eye, we will draw 3 eyelashes. Next, inside of the eye, we will draw a half circle and color it in except a little circle that we will leave white. Looking awesome! Now we're going to draw the left eye the same way that we just drew the right eye. Next, we are going to draw Santa Claus's cheeks. Underneath the left eye, we will draw a curved line. Underneath the right eye, we will draw a curved line as well, but it will connect to the top of the mustache. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Your Santa Claus face looks awesome! Now let's draw Santa Claus's beard. We will start to the left of the mustache and draw a few curved lines for the hair on the side of his face. From that, we will draw some curved lines going downwards and around to the bottom of his beard. We will use multiple slightly curved lines to make his beard so that it adds some detail. Then we will make the right side of his beard similar to the way we made the left side. Great job! Our Santa Claus drawings are really coming along great. Now we're going to give our Santa Claus two big bushy eyebrows. If you like watching this drawing tutorial, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. In the middle of his two eyebrows, we're going to draw a curly piece of hair that will look like it's coming out of his hat once we draw the hat. We're going to draw a small line connecting Santa Claus's right eyebrow to his right cheek. Then we're going to start drawing Santa Claus's hat. We will start on the left side where his beard meets his hair, and we will draw a big curved line going all the way over the top of his head to the right side of his face. Above the curved line that we just drew, we're going to draw another curved line for the top of Santa Claus's hat. Then we're going to draw a small line going towards the one that we just drew for the bottom of Santa Claus's hat. Around those two lines, we're going to draw a big circle using a bunch of little curved lines to add detail. Now we are going to finish drawing Santa Claus's hat by drawing the bottom of the rim. We will draw small lines connecting the left side of his hair to his eyebrow, then to the middle of his hair, and to the right eyebrow. Lastly, we're going to add a few lines for detail. We'll add two small lines near the left eye, and then we'll add some lines for detail in his beard. This is how to draw Santa Claus. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.